Okay, so it seems like the weather turned around a bit, but we are finally, and we just waited kind of until the weather cleared up to walk to this little convenience store for some food. It's like 0.3 away, so that's nice. But yeah, I decided to take another zero today and just embrace having the opportunity to stay in like a really nice Airbnb and hang out and be off trail when there's like a wind advisory. I honestly feel like we probably could have hiked today, but definitely earlier, until like maybe like 30 minutes ago, it looked pretty bad out and miserable. So it's like, why hike in that when I'm all set up to stay in a really sweet Airbnb with some really cool people. So
I forced her to stay one more day.
The Don Outdoors, it's all his fault.
It is.
But yeah, so Professor and I are hanging out here for the day, and then we have 19 miles in tomorrow into Waynesboro, and then I'll get to the Shenies. So I'm looking forward to that. It's like 4 p.m. now. The rain cleared up earlier, but it's definitely been windy all day. I've been editing. I edited like 5 videos, and I still have to do thumbnails. But it was a productive day. I felt like honestly restless not being on trail. So I called one of my hiker buddies, and he helped me feel better. And just kind of talk through like just some tips and ideas for how to make being out here like feel how I want it to feel, even though I'm really grateful for today. It's just not the best time to take a zero when you just had a different zero, at least not for me. Like I just had a zero. So I'm gonna try out some heroes, which is like in and out of town with all of your chores done without taking a zero or a Nero and without staying in town. So I'm going to try some of those out. We're about to eat. I was at the little market. I had a slice of pizza and some snacks and just hanging out on my own while I was on the phone and like getting some editing stuff done. So now meeting up with Professor and Sandra and Badon, and we're all gonna eat at one of these restaurants in this little pavilion. So the sun feels nice and I'm soaking that in. Oh, I see them. Professor has the biggest hair.
Well, you know, yesterday I couldn't really see where we're going because it has nothing to get to.
Thank you. Ooh, the corner? Ooh. Okay, so it's the next day. I thought I would just finish up this video. I'm back on trail in my happy place. But I will say that I was feeling restless yesterday, but I'm also so rested. Like my body feels so fresh. I feel like healed, like I don't feel any pain at all. Like it feels like, okay, maybe I spent this first like 800-900 miles like training for the last 1,300 miles thereabouts, like, and preparing and just like staying healthy. And then I do have plans to get some more big mile days in, and I'm really excited for those. And I'm excited to just continue to experience the trail for whatever it is, whatever it presents, and just feel thankful that like I have this time to be out here and connecting with nature and connecting with people. And it was so cool meeting Sandra and her husband Dawn, and they have that YouTube channel, The Dawn Outdoors. They were so fun, and I just feel like we connected so quickly, and it was so perfect. Like Professor was pointing out earlier that like when we were walking up to the road the other day, we had no idea that we would meet this couple and then end up spending the next like 48 hours with them. So they were super great and just totally enriched the last few days for us, I think. So yeah, I pretty much just edited all day. I'm pretty much as close to lined up with the videos like scheduled and posted out as possible. And that really gives me a lot of room to not have to worry about them for the next few sections as much as I had to, especially before Charlottesville. So yeah, we ate that delicious meal and pretty much just relaxed and hung out at that cute little Airbnb. And so thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.